Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is secure my Wi-Fi router. And the way to do that, a lot of people don't tell you. I've noticed recently on YouTube. Bear with me, I have the dryer and the washer going in the background, of course. Haha, this is Sniper Hacker. You know I'm always busy. Anyway, first thing you want to do is log into your router. 192.168.1.1, which is my router. And if you haven't set up, default would normally just be admin and then hit enter. I have a password here. So now that we've logged into our wireless router, see we have the linksys page here. Now, first thing you want to do is set up all this information if it's not already set up. Quick and easy way to do it. If you're not sure everything's already filled out, go ahead and hold down the control and press status. Of course, you know how to use a computer and act like you're a baby. Anyway, press status and you'll have these two pages up here together. You can go down here, your router name, your domain name, because that by default will be empty. Here's your domain name, your router name, of course, your local IP, your subnet mask, and everything has to match your status. So everything on here and your status should match what you have here in your basic setup when you're doing it. Once you set that, go ahead and click Save Settings. Now, next step is your wireless. Brain fart. And you want to set up your mix or your B or your G only. Of course, everyone's got the video to go through it. You always want to have wireless configuration on manual because you're doing this manually. Wireless network name SSID, which is the name of your network, whatever you want it to be. But now remember, whatever it is here is going to have to match when you connect online. For instance, make sure your wireless SSID is broadcasting. And you can go ahead and go to administration. Now once you go to administration, you're just going to have your password, so you would highlight that, enter the password that you want, re-enter your password, and scroll down to the bottom to Save Settings. Now once you've done that, it'll take you back to the beginning of everything, of course, and immediately go into wireless security. Choose whatever kind of wireless you want to use. I'm using WPA Personal. Make sure your algorithm is AES, which is the most recent TCP/IP. I have had problems with it in the past. In the past. And here will be your shared key, which is the password to get on your network. You can change that whatever you want. Make sure as soon as you do all that, now you save your settings. Now what it's going to do, it's going to kick you offline almost immediately. So as it's trying to kick you offline, first thing you want to do would be to open up your network and sharing center if you're using Vista. Okay. Now go into Manage Wireless Networks. Now you would see yours before. You want to click on the old linksys router that you had before it was secure, and say Remove. Now you want to remove that. Close everything out. Okay, and then it'll be a red X. Of course, you won't have any internet. So you would say, of course, connect to a network, and then you would see your linksys with security. You'd connect to that. Say I don't want to configure the network, I just want to connect, and it will ask you for that security phrase that you entered earlier on, and hit enter, and you're off and running without using any cables, and you just secured your wireless network.